UYA. My name is Jerome, UYA's first homegrown CFI. Today we have...
My name is David. I'm 17 years old.
Why you want to fly? You excited today?
Excited.
Oh, excited? Alright,
Yeah.
I know you can't wait to go up. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, so now you're going to be doing the taxi, okay? So, nope, hand off here. I want you to, feet, okay? I'm going to hold my hand on this, okay? We're going, oh, excuse me. Going straight, okay? So no brake. So when we're not braking, put our heels on the floor and only push the bottom of it with our toes, okay? We don't brake by accident, okay? Only when we brake, we put our feet on it. When we're not braking, heels on the floor, use our toes to steer, okay? So we're gonna go left a little bit. You see how you want to use this, right? I know, it's okay, it's okay. I have it, all right? We're going left, okay? So how we go left, we push left, okay? So push left with your feet. No, left.
Oh,
there we go. There we go. On this way, okay? There we go. More left. There we go. We're following this line right here, okay? And now push it right to catch it. There we go. There we go, good. You get it. There we go. And we're gonna make a left turn over there, right? But on the line, okay? There we go, on the line, there we go. That's good. We're gonna be making a right turn here.
This is 133.
Alright, so turn right. There we go.
Digital aircraft information, Echo current altimeter 2982.
We're gonna go full power. Once we reach 55, we're gonna slowly pull back on the yoke, okay?
Number 28 Romeo, altimeter 2982, wind 320 at 17 gust 23, runway 2, clear for takeoff. Left downwind departure is approved southwestbound.
2982, clear for takeoff, runway 2, left downwind departure southwestbound, 232A Romeo. Alright, we're ready to go. All lights on. 1, 2, 3. You good. Right hand on here. Once we center up on the runway, then we're gonna go full power, okay? So no brakes. Brakes, there we go. Right, yep, so hand on here. Yep, hand on the yoke. Right, there we go. Right hand on the throttle. So once we take off, we're gonna keep our hand on here, okay? So don't move it off, okay? Yeah, not yet, so a little bit straight. And we start to turn right, and once we center up, we're gonna go full power, okay? Not yet, not yet. All right, full power. Hold it, okay? No brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. There we go. There we go. Remember, 55, okay? Pull back, pull back, pull back. There we go. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. We good, we good. I'm with you, alright? It's a little bit windy, okay? You feeling? Feeling good? Hey, we're gonna make a left 90-degree turn. So, left turn.
Follow 410 New Haven ground runway.
Hey, hold it right there.
Taxi via Delta Charlie at Charlie, turn right onto runway 2, back taxi, exit Echo Bravo.
Alright, straight. Alright, one more 90-degree turn. So, not too much bank, right there. Alright, straight. Now we're about to turn right, okay? See the airport to our left? Alright, now right turn. There we go. We find over the Long Island Sound. We're going this direction now, okay? Alright, as we near our cruise altitude, start to push in the nose a little bit. Yep, push the nose. There we go. We're stopping at 3,000. We're going to pull our power back down, okay? So hand on the throttle. Yep, we're gonna pull it back to 2,200 RPMs, okay? And we'll do 20, we'll do in between 23, okay? Pull it back. There we go, a little bit more. That's good right there. Oh, push in a little bit. Push in. There we go, good. We're gonna hold it right there, and we're gonna hold this heading too, okay? So 20 and 3,000, alright? We're gonna start off there, that's good. And now we're flying over the Long Island Sound, that's Connecticut. That's Long Island over there. The northern shore of Long Island, and the southern shore of Connecticut. Let me lean us as well. Power back a little bit again, we're gonna start descending, okay? So power back to 19. We're gonna descend to 1,100, okay?
This is 28 Romeo, we're going to follow Gulfstream on a 2-mile final, runway 32, clear to land, wind 30014, gust 23.
Roger that, traffic in sight. We'll follow him, clear to land, runway 32, Romeo. Okay, we're about to turn left now, okay? So we're gonna turn left. Do you see the runway that's in front of us? Yeah, we're gonna be flying parallel to that runway, okay? We're gonna keep turning left. Do you also see that plane that's in the air? So we're gonna be following him too, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna wait for that plane to cross us on our wing, and then we're gonna start our base turn, okay? Alright, I'm gonna introduce flaps 10, so we're gonna start slowing down. You see that? See him? Good. So once he crosses our wing, then we're gonna start our turn, okay? Actually, we'll give him a little bit more space. We'll give him a little bit more space. We're kind of close. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Alright, good. Now we can turn right. Yep. Turn right, nose down, okay? Keep nose down. Oh, nose down, nose down. There we go. Oh, nose down. Alright, that's our 90-degree point, so straighten out. Now, yep. Eyes on the runway still. So right hand on here. And we're gonna keep it that way for the rest of the flight, okay? We'll start to pull some of the power back. Good.
Flexion at 727, unable to parking.
Put a motor.
And we're gonna start turning
I
right.
don't know which one they want you at.
East.
Flexion at 727, can make the right turn on Bravo. Cross runway 19 at Bravo 4 into Modern with me. Have a nice day.
Alright, right turn Bravo. Cross runway 19 at Bravo 4. Stay with you. Flexion 77.
Oh, alright, I want you to put this flap lever all the way down. Yep, all the way down. Yep, this one. Yep, all the way down. There. Eyes on the runway. Ooh, hand back on the power. There we go. There we go. Keep that nose down. Really high. It's okay though. Oh, good on power, good on speed. Oh, high, but we're good. Oh. Start the idle out power slowly, okay? We're gonna slowly. There we go. Good. Now, yep, keep slow, pulling it all the way out. There we go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna slightly hold it up, okay? Power all the way out.
Good afternoon. Runway 1, we'll line up and wait. Traffic line.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Good. We're gonna let the plane coast now, okay? Hey, you're back on the ground. How was your first flight with UYA? Like, you was excited for it? You didn't do too bad for being nervous, man. That's good. Only get better, you know that, right?